Okay, guys. So I'm gonna color this blue. So let me show you how it got done. So when when actually is done. So yeah, and subscribe my channel Abigail Garcia. And if you want to join us, follow me. Follow me and sing. I actually like sing. So oh my gosh, it's really crunchy. Okay, uh, so yeah, I'm sure how it looks. Okay, now it turns like it looks like snowflakes. So I'm going to make a bubble and this part. So this is how it turned out. So subscribe my channel. um. So yeah, yeah. So yeah, and I am making a famous slime thing, Instagram or music feeds. So yeah. If you join this, leave a like and leave a comment and click that subscribe button and click that notification if to notice my videos so you don't have to miss it. So, bye.